Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Apple Pay with the Caviar app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and pay for your deliveries or meals using the Apple Pay. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Caviar app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on Payment. Then on this page here, click on Apple Pay. So once you click on Apple Pay, you should see a check mark next to it, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Apple Pay with the Caviar app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.